Hi! Today I'll show you how we created this viral hit. You'll get the behind-the-scenes vibe and see how we set up every moment to keep people glued. This is the lowdown. No magic, just a director breaking down how viral videos really work. Right from the jump, we're showing that itch for change. It hooks viewers. Everyone wants a fresh vibe. Just a tiny move and suddenly, you feel it. The glow-up starts now. Glasses are a symbol of the old look. No words needed. The message hits. Quick cut keeps the flow, no lag. A new character pops in. Everyone notices the glow-up. Another move, another highlight. Feels solid. Last scene. Party kicks off. Big vibes, straight up win. Every set needs a pop. Here, it's the watermelon. Fresh and super snackable. Picked watermelon for a reason. Everyone loves it, so it grabs attention. We use lots of fill light. The viewer feels it. Party prep's in full swing, and immediately thinks, what's next? Plot twist. Almost forgot. Tiny detail, but it keeps you hooked. Close up on the watermelon. Gotta show stuff tight to show it actually matters. Disaster. Watermelon drops. Max feels, and the humor hits. The hero freaks out big time. That's the funny part. Viewers are like, wait, how's he gonna fix this? Oh, I got this. Quick pivot to the solution. A closed store adds to the drama, but I need a watermelon. So our hero's like, gotta hunt solo. Roadblocks make the plot juicier. The search keeps the suspense alive. Slapstick moments, always a win. Makes everyone grin. Finally, jackpot. Watermelons found. Zoom in on the t-shirt. Trust me, it'll matter later. Problem? Nothing to carry them in. Solution? DIY bag time. The t-shirt's already ripped, so we got an instant life hack. It's trash anyway, so why not experiment? A t-shirt bag. Simple and genius. Tie a knot? Done deal. Easy for anyone to copy. We show it super clear. Oh, and yeah, shot on green screen. Then we tossed in animation. That's how tons of movies do it. And it just works. The story's wrapped, the ending feels clean. The t-shirt actually came in clutch. We bring in some extra characters. Emotions level up. And the final vibe is pure win. Next step's editing and post-production. But the editor's gonna cover it in the next episode. We kick it off super simple, just taking out the trash. Everyday stuff, easy to relate. Toss in a line about the smell, instant comedy boost. We bring in that character, tension spikes. Hiding is a classic awkward comedy move. I look like trash. Perfect self-burn. Quick pause. Audience is like, okay, what's the plan? That mini inner drama makes it even funnier. Hiding cranks up the energy. Go away. Comedy classic. Tension's peaking. The hero steps in closer. Only one way. Perfect setup for a twist. Trash bags are visual gag gold. Keep the scene moving. The rhythm can't drop. Banana peel cameo. Tiny touch, big funny. We drop the hero's what-if daydreams. Keeps the story buzzing. Unexpected play. Using the trash. Desperate measures always make people laugh. The line, not the worst option, makes it even funnier. The hero imagines failure. Fear sharpens the scene. And yes, it really would look like a total flop. The set was pro-built, no worries. Actors never go near real dumpsters. Like, come on, the smell would be a nightmare. But for the viewer, it all feels 100% real. There's an actual squad just for DIY props. Crafting takes forever, but filming gotta be lightning fast. Back to our girl. The audience expects resolution. Okay, this can't drag on. An emotional outburst keeps eyeballs locked. Then, a new idea. Surprise moment. What the? Bold play. Let's swap clothes. Instant, nah, no way. Makes it funnier. The more the hero handles it solo, the better the story hits. Solution clicks. Improvising with clothes? The audience eats that up. Step-by-step reveal means a stronger payoff. Pulling the sleeves tight, striking shot. Final knot seals it. Fit complete. A hair detail adds confidence. A full glow up. Quick cut. Close shot sneaks in that low-key romantic vibe. A simple hi makes the moment warm. A compliment locks the win. The ending hits with that sweet emotional payoff. We kick it off light. Laughter and a text. It sets the mood right away. The phone message acts as the hook. A short reaction keeps the pace fast. Jealousy slides in and adds tension. Then the second girl shows her phone. Double invite sets the drama. The reaction hits. Bruh, how could he? Everyone relates. A bit of irony keeps it playful. Doubt makes the moment believable. And the jab, why you, pushes the conflict higher. A condition sets the stakes. Only one gets to go. Both accept, each sure she will come out on top. A duel of rivalry sparks the energy. Each girl aims to impress the hero. The line, "Two can play this game," makes the competition clear. Wardrobe pieces turn into weapons. Lipstick used with irony adds humor. Each counters the other's move. Focus shifts to the earrings. Sharp visual impact. A casual whatever lands as the jab. Each girl's like, nah, my pick's way better. The teasing keeps the beef going. The bags get dragged into the fight. Mirrored moves keep the pace. Another clash. The tension's heating up. Both keep roasting the other's choice. The jeans scene is a total drama peak. Fighting over an item is straight up comedy. A scream, peak funny moment. That's the climax of the fight. Emotions totally explode. End result, clothes trashed. One of them taps out. It's obvious who won. Our heroine stuck with a mess. Cue the classic what if moment. Ripped jeans turn into a life hack. We show it all, step by step. Step-by-step hacks are fan favorites. Everything's super clear. Simple edits make it pop even more. And here's the result, a totally unexpected new fit. Time to roll out. Another face-to-face. Tension remains. The other girl flexes her look too. Rivals low-key impressed. The fight chills out. Now it's the final sprint to the hero. Plot twist? He's not alone. The twins' appearance totally wrecks their plans. Oh, and heads up, not actually twins, just one actor. The ironic ending flips the conflict and leaves the viewers grinning. We kick things off super chill. Just waiting for a friend sets the vibe. A new character pops in, pushing the scene forward. And yeah, we're using legit paint for that real deal feel. Then the problem hits. I can't get up. Mood shifts instantly. Surprise, the paint's still wet. Didn't see the sign. A classic comedy move. Things get wild. Stuck to the bench. A scream just ups the laughs. The remark happens more often than you think. And now what? Keeps viewers hooked. Honestly, everyone's been there at least once. The hero isn't giving up. A pause before the big move. Another character jumps in, pumping up the energy. Conflict hits a scream. Peak tension right there. What a workout! Turns the fail into a joke. Both are totally wiped out. Now, the curiosity moment. How does this look from outside? They can't keep walking like this. Reaction. Oh no, this is bad. But wait, a light bulb moment. Perfect for a life hack. Mini setup. We need the materials. We're heading straight into the hack. Trust me. Hype builds. Everyone's watching. The glow-up starts. Spray paint in action. The viewer thinks, why more paint though? Reveal from the back. Now the front. Cardboard for a practical touch. Let's throw in some star shapes. The line, "You owe me," drops some funny vibes. Final touches, wrap it up. And here's the final look. Waiting for the reaction. Big wow. This looks insane. The hero's flexing. Those jeans are one of a kind. Brilliant, right? And that's how trash jeans turn designer. After editing, we layer in some dope music. Our composers drop the soundtrack. The sound designer adds the SFX punch. And just like that, the video's ready. Drop a comment. Did you enjoy the director's breakdown?